So today we're going to take you through how to apply a face mask. There's a few do's and don'ts and there's a few little tricks that are worth knowing about. So the first thing that's really important when you're applying your face mask is to actually make sure that you either wash your hands properly with soap and water, or you sterilise your hands with some gel or some alcohol spray. So Chantel's going to demonstrate for you how to apply a face mask. So I'm going to give her some alcohol gel, and she's going to rub that around her hands for 20 seconds, making sure that she gets in all the nooks and crannies. So palms of her hands, thumbs, which are really something that everyone kind of forgets, and in between fingers. Okay, so Chantel's going to put the face mask on. So on these disposable masks, there's a blue side and a white side. If you have a look at the blue side, you've actually got the ear loops that are on the front of the mask. That means that the mask sits nicely flush against your face if you put it on that way round. So there's also a wire at the top which goes around your nose, and the ear loops obviously go around your ear. So Chantel will pop it on, and she's going to make sure that it goes under her chin and over her nose, and then she's going to secure the wire part over her nose so it's nice and snug. There's a little trick. If you wear glasses, I think a lot of us get our glasses fogged up with the mask on, and the little trick is to grab some micropore, which you can buy from a pharmacy, and you just apply that on top of the mask, and then you can put your glasses over the top, and it should actually limit how much fogginess actually happens.
Good.
So now that you've got your mask on, there's a few don'ts that are really important. Obviously, the mask is your barrier from any particular aerosoled viral particles. So that means that you shouldn't touch your mask when your mask is on, and you also shouldn't touch your face. If you happen to touch your face or your mask, because it's a really hard thing to remember not to do that, then you need to get some more gel, wipe your hands down. The other don'ts about wearing a face mask are you shouldn't lower it underneath your nose or underneath your chin and wear it around your neck. So again, you're touching that mask, which has all those potential viral particles on the outside, and you're putting it all over your face, which can be an avenue and a vehicle for transmission. Okay, so the face mask can stay on for 4 hours. Of course, if you're feeling short of breath or uncomfortable with the face mask on, please tell us and please take it off. If your mask gets wet or soggy, then by all means reapply a new face mask. The next really important thing is learning how to take off your face mask properly. And the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you reapply some gel so you have clean hands, because you're going to be touching your face and the mask. And again, you do 20 seconds, make sure you get into all those nooks and crannies on your hands. Once you've done that, you take off the mask by only touching the ear loops, and then you pop that mask straight into the dispensable bins that we've provided, straight in without touching anything. The other thing is, after you have removed your face mask, you've disposed of your mask, then you should go wash your hands properly with soap and water.